This is a stepping stone for young people who don't necessarily always get these opportunities, just to kind of have the same opportunities as everybody else. I'm Adam Pickett, University College of Birmingham chef lecturer. Opening this fantastic University College Birmingham culinary school has been a kind of like an end point to sort of what I've been working towards. It's very important to have this in the heart of Chelmsley Wood. Many Chelmsley Wood people are not coming into the city centre, and they're not getting the opportunities that a lot of the young people in Birmingham are having. So we set this up here to give those students that opportunity. Perfect place for local Chelmsley Wood students and the greater area to begin their culinary career. I started at UCB and now I work at UCB. These young people were me when I was 16, 17, came from a single parent family, grew up in an area not dissimilar to this on the other side of Birmingham. Had the challenges, had the troubles, the problems, and I had lecturers at UCB who kind of took me under their wing. But now the most important thing for me is nurturing these young people and ensuring they have a similar kind of career to myself. The highlight of this experience is just seeing young people come in last September with just kind of hardly any self-esteem, low confidence, stories of bullying at school, no cookery at school, but they found a passion somewhere. They've cooked with Michelin-starred chefs within this kitchen. They've had master classes with various, celebrity chefs. So many opportunities that these students have had, and they flourished off the back of that. I found out a year and a half ago that I'd got prostate cancer, which came as a shock to myself and my family. Opening the cookery school and my job at UCB, it helps. It takes your mind off things, and my employees and colleagues at UCB have been a fantastic support within that. So now I'm cancer free and ready to work towards the next project.